Hi guys, hi, welcome to my channel. Welcome to DIY Art Blast. So I'm here at my parents' home, and this is actually my niece and nephew's room. As you can see, there are a lot of painting here. Some of them are mine, and they also like to paint with me sometimes. And I was here to help my dad, and on my free time I'm just trying to play with my niece and nephew and just try to figure out some different activity to do with them. So this one day we made a mask. My niece made a Hello Kitty mask and my nephew made a tiger mask. They are actually laughing right now because I'm talking, and we just painted like that. We just used like their school paper here for the paper mache, and that's what I did with this mask. But today I'm gonna paint with my niece here. We're gonna paint a unicorn. She's like 10 years old, so trust me, if you want to also paint with me with your kids, you can also paint this. It's super easy. So first I just trace a unicorn on this watercolor paper, and we're just using a watercolor, and we only have like 3 brushes today, so we are using different brushes here. I'm basically showing my niece step by step how to paint this, just like how I normally make my video. I'm just showing her that way. So I found a very good technique to paint with the kids at her age is to apply water first on a smaller area and then apply paint, whichever paint you like, and that is gonna make it so much easier for kids to paint any drawing or any painting like this today. So my niece really liked the pink and blue, so that's why we are only using pink and blue for most of the painting. So what we did here is started painting from the top to bottom. So started from the top, slowly working way down. Okay, so here we are done with the hair. Now we're gonna work on this whole face. So what we did here is apply the water first. Again, same thing, we try to do this quickly, and then we use cream color for the face and only on some area like this, and then I just apply a little bit of blush on each side like that. And just to make it a little bit more easier, we use blue and purple for the whole body. Again, same technique, apply the water first and then paint, and then we work on the darker area for the shadows. So we go over with more blue where the shadows are. And then we also apply a little bit of blue for the eyes here. And now the fun part begin is working on the background. So what we did is I show my niece very quickly how to do the background. It literally took us like couple minutes to do the background, but this is how I apply the color here and how to blend with the water. So we barely use like a little bit of paint here and a lot of water. So I try to use all the bright colors. My niece really wanted to use more pink, so we both use different colors here. So now here we are using a permanent marker like a Sharpie for the eyes, and I just did the outline like that and just color it inside. And we also use a pencil. I actually use a pencil like a normal regular pencil, and my niece use a colored black pencil for the outline. And I made this video specially just to show you that you really don't need a canvas. You can just paint on a watercolor paper with your kids, and you can create a really cute painting with them, or just have fun with them. You can make anything, doesn't have to be too perfect, and you don't have to have the same materials that I usually use. We just use what we have available. So here again I'm just using a normal pencil for the outline, and you see how cute this looks. So again, use whatever you have. You don't have to use what I'm using. And as you know, we love adding splatters on all of the painting I usually make. So here we are adding some splatters here and using different colors, but that's all I'm gonna do. Okay, so yeah, I'm all done with this painting. I'm just again trying to do different activity with my niece and nephews. My dad just passed away, and I'm just gonna be here for maybe another month, and I'm gonna go home then. But yeah, I'm here for another month. I might be painting more painting like this, but thank you guys for all your support and your wishes. I really appreciate all your help here. And thank you again, and of course we also signed our painting. So yeah, thank you so much for watching our video, and please don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you enjoy watching this. Thank you. Bye.